welcome back, guys. Been a while since I put a video up, so I thought I'd sneak out of work early. Weather forecast was looking nice and sunny, so here we are. Got a bit of rain coming through where we are at the moment. Temperature on the car before I got out was about 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, so yeah, it's a bit nippy. Fingers are a bit numb at the moment, but we'll get through it. So what's changed since the last couple of enduro videos I did? Well, there's been a few changes. I've sent the gasser off to greener pastures. It's done its service for me, and managed to pick up this RR300. It's a 2018 model, but it had all the protective gear on the bike already. So it's got the P-Tech guard, clutch cover, got fastway pegs, bark busters, what else, tubeless. It has all the stuff that I would normally put onto a bike anyway, so I figured that'll save me a few bucks getting a bike that's got all the gear on it already. It's just ticked over 200 hours. I've just finished putting a top end in it. The top end that came out looked really good. That's about it. Just going to go for a nice easy ride. This is the first proper ride on the new top end, so I'll take it nice and easy, nothing silly, and yeah, enjoy the beautiful weather. We've just had a long weekend, and quite a few of the trails have had some four-wheel drive activity on them. They've been chewed up a fair bit, so we'll see how we go. They're looking pretty gnarly, but I'm not going to do anything stupid today. I don't want to risk damaging the bike, overheating it. I've also got a new fan on as well, so just want to make sure that's working properly without toasting the motor. So I'll just take it nice and easy and see where we end up. How's the view? Yuck. I know what you're thinking. And yes, I forgot to bring my waterproof gloves. Didn't even register when I was loading the bike up. Anyway, they'll warm up soon enough. bugger. Doing so well. Had no dabs right up to that point. Still pretty warm. Might call it a day, I think. Try and get the stand sorted out and then fuck off early again tomorrow and have another crack. I think the weather forecast for the rest of the week's supposed to be cold and miserable, so might as well be cold and miserable on a bike, I suppose. Interesting question actually, would you rather be warm and unfulfilled at a desk, or cold and wet and on a motorbike? Hey, stick your thoughts in the comments below, let me know. Interested to see what you think. So you might be asking, Coxie, what are you out here in this crappy weather riding your bike for? Well, I'm doing a bit of a test and tuning because I'm heading to Rockhampton to Mount Morgan next week for the Grassroots Ironstone Extreme. So I've got to make sure the bike's all sorted. I've got to fit some new tyres up before then. But I just wanted to make sure that mainly the fan's working and that the top end is run in properly before I give it a hiding up there. So if you're thinking about going to the Ironstone Extreme to spectate, or if you're signed up to race, if you see me wandering around lost, say g'day. We can talk bikes and racing and stuff. If you're competing in the event and you're on the track and you see me pinned under this thing here, stop and give me a hand. I'll return the favour. Anyway, that's it for today. Talk soon. Thanks for watching.